इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड्स है, यही बार बार रिपीट होते हैं। तो चलिए बिना देर के चालू करते हैं। पहला वर्ड है क्लोज फिटिंग कवर फॉर ए स्वॉर्ड एंड नाइफ, दैट इज कॉल्ड श्वेत। क्या इसको श्वेत बोलते हैं? मीन्स म्यान। क्या? म्यान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ए लार्ज नेचुरल और आर्टिफिशियल लेक यूज्ड एज ए सोर्स ऑफ वाटर सप्लाई, इसे हम लोग बोलते हैं रिजर्वर। रिजर्वर। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गवर्नमेंट बाय ए किंग और ए क्वीन, मोनार्ची। व्हाट? मोनार्ची। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए वर्टिकल पैसेजवे इनटू ए माइन shaft, shaft. Next, a solution or remedy for all difficulties, that is called disease, रामबाण इलाज। Okay, panacea, that is called panacea. Next, a place where wild animal live, lair, इसको बोलते हैं lair, lair. Okay. Next, a person who is neither well experienced nor professional, amateur, amateur, that is called also novice person, novice, जिसे कुछ नहीं आता। ओके, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, समथिंग विच इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कार्डिनल। व्हाट? कार्डिनल, कार्डिनल। नेक्स्ट, ए स्मॉल रूम वेयर डिशेस आर वाश्ड, स्क्यूलरी, स्क्यूलरी। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए पर्सन और थिंग दैट इज द सेंटर ऑफ अटेंशन, साइनोसर, साइनोसियर। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए पर्सन हु स्पीक्स ऑलवेज प्रेज ऑफ, इगोटिस्ट, इगोटिस्ट, घमंडी टाइप का व्यक्ति। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पेनलेस डेथ गिवन टू पेशेंट्स टू रिलीव सफरिंग, यूथेसानिया, मतलब इच्छा मृत्यु होता है, यूथेनासिया, यूथेनासिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए सॉन्ग और म्यूजिक इन प्रेज ऑफ गॉड, हेम। क्या? हेम, भजन बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में। थिंग्स विच आर ऑफ द सेम काइंड एंड द सेम डायमेंशंस, होमोजीनियस, होमोजीनियस। नेक्स्ट, a period of 1000 year, that is called millennium, that is called millennium. A plantation of grapes, that is called vineyard, vineyard. Next question, a person who studies the structure of earth, that is called geologist, geologist. 18 number, condition of sleep during certain parts of the year, that is called hibernation, that is called hibernation. Next question, that which is no longer in use, redundant, redundant. Something that is genuine, that is called, something that is genuine, that is called authentic, authentic. Okay. Next question, using right and left hand both equally, equally well or both equally used in a same time, that is called ambidextrous, ambidextrous. Next question, having no moral principle, having no moral principle, that is called unscrupulous, unscrupulous मीन्स बुद्धिमान नहीं हो, मूर्ख हो एक तरह से, और स्क्रूपलस मीन्स बुद्धिमान, तेज तराक व्यक्ति। ओके। स्टील ऑफ मीन्स appropriate of money, that is embezzle, also called embezzlement, embezzlement. Okay. Combine to form a whole, combine to form a whole, integrate, integrate. Okay. Next, very careful and precise, meticulous, meticulous. Next, a natural skill at doing something, knack, knack, a collection of drawing documents that represent a person, especially in artist work, that is portfolio, that is called portfolio. Okay. Next, a group of ships sails together, that is called fleet, that is called fleet. Next question, lasting for a very short time, that is ephemeral, ephemeral. Okay. Tending to associate with others of one's kind, gregarious, gregarious. Next, tending to associate with others of one's kind, gregarious, gregarious. Okay. Next question, act of giving up the throne, abdication, abdication, tyag, abundant also called. The same word is abundant, but here is the actual word is abdication, abdication. Act of giving throne, act of giving throne. Got it? Next question, a person who is blamed for something that someone else has done, that types of person called a scapegoat, bali ka bakra. Okay. One who tells future from the stars, astrologer, astrologer. Next question, movement of people or animal from one area to another, that is called migration. What? Migration. Next question, a large bedroom for a number of people in a school or institution, that is called dormitory, dormitory. One who studies the election and voting trends, psephologist, psephologist. Relating to the healing of disease, therapeutic, therapeutic, therapeutic. Next, a group of people who have come together in a religious building for worship or prayer, कंग्रीगेशन, मंडली, जिसको मंडली बोलते हैं, भजन कीर्तन होता है, मंडली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए सिचुएशन इन विच मेनी पीपल लीव ए प्लेस एट द सेम टाइम, इट इज कॉल्ड एक्सोडियस, एक्सोडियस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू लाफ एट समथिंग इन ए क्रूअल वे, डेराइड, व्हाट, डेराइड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कम इन द वे, दैट इज कॉल्ड हैम्पो, हैम्पर, बाधा डालना, क्या करना, बाधा डालना। एन अनफॉर्सिन हैपनिंग विच क्रिएट सम डैमेज, मिस्ट्री, व्हाट, दैट इज कॉल्ड मिस्ट्री। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, flesh eating animal, carnivorous, at carnivorous or carnivore. A rule with total power over a country, typically one who has obtained control force by force, dictator, that is called dictator, इसको बोलते हैं तानाशाह, तानाशाह। A type of magic in which spirits especially, that is called evil, means बहुत ही ईर्ष्या वाला व्यक्ति। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ones are used to make things happen, सॉर्चरी, जंतर मंत्र इसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में, ठीक है। अ डीप फीचर्स इन द अर्थ सरफेस, च्यास में, च्यास में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, समथिंग लाइक एन ओपनिंग पार्टिकुलरली वन इन द बॉडी सच एज ए नोस्ट्रिल, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑरिफाइस, ऑरिफाइस, ओके, ऑरिफाइस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, समथिंग दैट इज एक्सट्रीमली अनप्लेजेंट, हॉरेंडस, हॉरेंडस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, satisfied with no desire to change or improve, that is called complacent, complacent. To make perfect or complete, complacent, same thing. So I hope you have understood it. And next question is, a person weak and disabled by illness, invalid, what, that is called invalid, that is called invalid. Happening every 2 years, biennial, biennial. Next question, a part of the city, especially the slum area, ghetto, that is called ghetto. Making one feel very sad, heart wrenching, heart wrenching. Next question, something that is expressed in a confusing way, incoherent, incoherent. Next question, covered with a material or substance in order to stop heat, sound, etc. from entering the escaping, insulated, insulated. Next question, unable to think clearly because of a mental illness, deranged, deranged. What is called, this is deranged. A person working on a trial period, probationer, probationer, that is called, also you can connect it with the probationary officer of the bank. Okay, so that is called probationer, probationer. Okay, so next questions. Thank you. These all questions I have covered very efficiently, and you have to remember all these questions to get the good marks in the CHS examination. So thank you very much for watching this video. Share, like and subscribe.